Hello, good morning, traders, and I want to welcome you to another trading week. Now, my channel is Learn Forex with Rotimi Olawale, and on this channel, I bring you Forex trading tips and market analysis, which are very, very helpful and profitable if you are a newbie or intermediate or even advanced trader. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button, smash the notification bell so that you can receive updates when I drop new videos. And today is Monday, the 4th of December, 2023. So I'll be dropping the analysis for this week, Monday 4th to Friday, 8th of December, 2023. Now, the analysis I dropped last week generated over 1,000 pips. You can refer to the previous video for that. And I surely hope this week also will produce a very large number of pips. All right, so let's get started. So the first instrument I want to look at is the AUD USD. And on the daily time frame, we can see a downward trend on this instrument. The price is trending downwards. And if we flip down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see there is a rising wedge. So that tells us it's a potential swing trade. So I'll be expecting price to break out downwards, to trigger a sell trade on this instrument. So I'm bearish biased on AUD USD, and I can use my Fibonacci to look at the projected profit level on this. So I'll be looking at Fibonacci price hitting Fibonacci 38, 50, 61.8, or possibly Fibonacci 78.6. So my bias is bearish for AUD USD. The next instrument I want to check is the New Zealand USD. Now, this is New Zealand USD on the daily time frame. We can see that price recently hit, a lower level of this resistance zone, and we can see that price also has ranged around this level for today is the fourth day that price is ranging around this level. So if you flip down to the 4-hour time frame, we clearly see that we have a rising wedge, which tells us of a potential bearish breakout on this instrument. It's equally expected to be a swing trade, so I'll be looking for a bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame. And using Fibonacci also, I can look at projected profit level, on this instrument going downwards. So I'm also bearish biased on New Zealand CAD, and I can use my Fibonacci for profit-taking levels. The third I want to look at is the AUD USD. On the daily time frame, we can see that the AUD USD closed as a doji last Friday on a support level. We expect a bullish breakout of this. Now, this is an intraday setup because if we flip down to 1 hour, we can see that we are seeing the possibility of the formation of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. An inverse head and shoulder pattern is, likely being formed here. So that should lead to a bullish breakout. And however, if it doesn't work out that way, ultimately, I still expect a bullish breakout on this instrument. So I'm bullish biased on AUD USD, and I can still also use my Fibonacci for profit-taking level on this one, in which case I'll be targeting price hitting Fibonacci 38.2, 50, 61.8, or 78.6. Next I'll look at is a CAD JPY. Now, CAD JPY on the 4-hour time frame, we can see the formation of a symmetrical triangle. And for symmetrical triangles, price could actually break out in either direction. Wherever the price breaks out, that's the direction where the instrument is going. So let's watch out for this to work out in the course of the week. The next instrument I want to look at is the GBP USD. Now, this is GBP USD. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price hit a resistance level recently. And on 4-hour, we also have a rising wedge. Not only that, we're seeing a pattern that is looking close to a double top also, and all should lead to a bearish breakout. So I'm bearish biased on GBP USD, and I'll be looking to take a bearish trade once price breaks out below the lower trend line. And I can equally use my Fibonacci as my profit-taking level, in which case I'll be expecting price to hit Fibonacci 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 78.6 as profit-taking levels. And on New Zealand JPY, we have a rising wedge on 4-hour time frame, which we expect to lead to a bearish breakout. So I have a bearish outlook on New Zealand JPY. And Fibonacci can also be used here to determine my profit-taking level, in which case I expect price to hit Fibonacci 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 78.6 as profit-taking levels. Next is Euro AUD. On the daily time frame, we can see we have a support zone way below, but then there is a minor support level where price is currently testing. Now, if that support level holds, we will expect a reversal from here. However, if that level does not hold, we expect price to still drop down to the main support level and break out upwards from there. So either ways, I'm looking out for a bullish movement on Euro AUD. Now I can flip down to my 1-hour time frame because this is expected to be an intraday setup. Now you can see here currently a pattern that is looking like a double bottom is being formed, which will lead to a bullish breakout, or otherwise price will still hit that main support level and still, break out upwards. So either ways, I'm looking for a bullish breakout on Euro GBP. And I'll be, in this instance here, I'll be drawing my Fibonacci from the most recent high down to the most recent low, more like a kind of a swing, because we have it from the daily downwards. All right, so we can use the Fibonacci level as a profit taking level on this one also. All right, next I'll look at is the Euro AUD, and on the daily time frame, we can see that Euro AUD hits a support zone, and price is already testing that zone by experiencing some retracement. So that means we are looking for a bullish movement on this instrument, Euro AUD. And if we go over to the 1-hour time frame, we can already see that price retrace from that level, and it will either come here as a double bottom and breakout, or just we have an outright breakout. Either ways, we are looking for a bullish bias on Euro AUD. Now we can clearly see that most of the AUD pairs are really bullish this week. Euro USD, Euro GBP, now Euro AUD likewise. So we have a bullish outlook on Euro AUD, and I can use my 4-hour here to determine the profit taking level. So I'll be waiting for price to go up, in this direction to hit Fibonacci 38.2, Fibonacci 50, and Fibonacci 61.8 as profit taking levels. And finally, we have the Euro New Zealand, Euro New Zealand, which on the daily time frame equally hits a support level. You can see price already retracing from that level, and on 1 hour we have a falling wedge, a descending channel. So it's a bullish trade already forming an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which should lead to a bullish breakout. Or if that doesn't work out, I still expect an outright bullish breakout, and I can use my Fibonacci as a profit-taking level for this one likewise. So I expect price to go in this bullish direction, hitting Fibonacci 38.2, 50, 61.8, or 78.6. And finally, we look at gold. Now, gold broke the monthly resistance just overnight. It broke the monthly resistance completely. However, it was able to hit a psychological level at 2,100.00. And you can see we're already having a candlestick here that's looking as when closely to a pin bar. However, the day is still fresh. Anything can happen in the course of today. But we can look at entering this trade. If you flip down to the 1-hour time frame, possibly price might form a shoulder, a head, a second shoulder and drop. That's a possibility. Or better still, we can look for entry using sell stop pending order below, some pips below the low of the candle, and that can be our entry point. So we have a bearish bias on gold for today and possibly for this week. All things being equal, if price is able to reverse on that rejection candle. All right, that'll be all for my analysis for this week. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please click the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, And if you have a comment on this video, please go ahead and drop a comment. If you have a question or you want to clarify something about this analysis, go ahead and drop it in the comment section, and I'll be there waiting for you. All right, I'll see you again some other time. Take care and have a great trading week. Bye for now.